Losing data on your POCO phone can be frustrating, especially after a crash or reset. In this video, we'll explore 5 smart ways to back up your POCO apps, whether to a computer, cloud, or external drive. Part 1. Backup POCO apps with MobiKin software secure. Managing POCO apps on a computer can be handled with MobiKin Backup Manager for Android, Windows, Mac, known as Android Backup and Restore. This software allows users to back up installed apps from a POCO device to a PC with only a few clicks. Quick user guide. Download and install the program, then connect your POCO phone via USB. The tool will detect your device, showing backup and restore options. Simply select the backup option, and the interface will display various file types. Choose apps and specify a location on your PC to save the files. Finally, click Backup to initiate a backup of your POCO phone on your PC. Part 2. Backup all POCO apps via local backups. Quick user guide. Go to Settings about Phone Backup and Restore Local Backups. Create backup. Select Apps and App Data, then tap Start Backup. Files will save in internal storage. MIUI Backup Al Backup. Part 3. Backup apps on POCO via Mi Cloud. Go to Settings, Mi Account, Login, then select Xiaomi Cloud. Tap Backups Backup Device. Turn on Automatic Backup or tap Backup Now to start manually. Your phone will upload apps, settings, and layout to Mi Cloud. Part 4. Backup app on POCO using Google Drive. Go to Settings, Google Backup. Turn on Backup to Google Drive. Then tap Backup Now. Confirm with your screen lock, and your data will upload to Google Drive. Part 5. Make app backup on POCO via flash drive. Insert a USB drive or microSD. Use OTG if needed. Go to Settings about Phone Backup and Restore. Tap Mobile Device. Enter your lock pattern. Select Data to back up. Choose Storage and tap Backup. Wait for the process to finish.